She's like, I'm coming. Wait for me. Oh. Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I wish that footage you just saw was from this morning, but it's not. It was actually from yesterday morning, and I was going to vlog yesterday, but I didn't. I got carried away with my day and just totally forgot to pick up the camera. But anyways, that doesn't matter because here I am now picking up the camera, and it's like a little after 10:30. We've been on the go already this morning since like 7:30. I think the kids woke up, or I woke up first and then was up for about 5 minutes. Grabbed my coffee thinking I'd be able to sit down and edit for a little bit, but they woke up shortly after that, and then we've just been going ever since with our usual morning routine, which is getting the kids dressed, getting Caden's diaper changed, and then I got myself dressed. But that's our usual morning routine. And then we did breakfast and all that, but I also already have lunch prepped in the oven, so I'm feeling pretty accomplished. I'm actually about to go outside and I'm going to go pick stuff out of the garden. I think there's some cucumbers and stuff that are probably ready in green beans, so I'm gonna go out there and get that stuff. Kiki's, I just got her down for a nap, and Jaden's watching Lion King, so now is like my perfect chance to escape and go pick some stuff in the garden. Let's see. There's so many leaves on here, it's hard to... There's so many leaves on here, it's hard to spot the cucumbers. Here's one right there. Nice long one. They always look so funny, these long and curly ones. Here's a big fat one. Here's another long one. Oh my gosh, I just found a cucumber that apparently every time I come out here and pick, I've missed it. And it's ginormous. Oh, see if I can pick it off. Holy crud. This is the mother of all cucumbers. Oh my gosh. Whoops. I don't know how I've missed this every time I've come out here to pick. But this thing is ginormous. It's like as long as my arm. It's literally as long as my arm. Wow. Apparently I should have brought out a bigger bucket. That one's completely full. And I'm not even done picking beans. And I didn't even get to fit all the cucumbers in there. So, yeah. Should have brought out a bigger bucket. But you want to know a fun fact? Growing up, I always hated green beans. I could not eat them without gagging, and so like my parents still made me eat them, so that would usually I'd have like a glass of water with me and I would shove a few green beans in my mouth, chew as fast as I could, swallow them as fast as I could, and then like take a big gulp of water. So I despised green beans, and still don't really like them. I've like found different ways to make them so I can tolerate them. And so the funny thing is, I'm not the biggest green bean eater, but look at all the green bean plants we have. Yeah, it's a lot of green beans to be picking for a non-green bean eater. But like I said, I've been able to find some different recipes to where I like to eat them and can tolerate them. I usually like to cook them with some bacon and garlic and some different seasonings and stuff, and they are pretty good. So I'm training my taste buds. Do you want to know how big a cucumber gets if you leave it unattended in the garden? Don't pick it. As big as your arm. This thing is as long as my arm. Jaden, it's almost exactly as long as my entire arm. This thing is huge. It is huge. What?
I can do this with him. I can do this with him.
What is that?
A cucumber.
Whoa, he's so big, right?
Yes, he is. I can walk with him like this.
You can walk with him?
Yeah, like this. I can do that.
It's like a cane?
Yeah. These vegetables.
Say cheese, vegetables. This is all the stuff I just picked from the garden. So, yeah. There was a lot to be picked today.
Cheese.
Are they saying cheese?
Yeah.
Say cheese, vegetables.
Cheese.
You silly guy.
Now they're done.
What are you doing? She's smiling because she thinks she's not allowed to play with that. What is that? What is it? Is that kind of cool? Jade and Dale are upstairs. They're gonna go take a nap, so it's just me and this little girl playing in the playroom for a little while, because she just got up from her nap, so she's not ready to sleep at all. Peekaboo. Are you trying to play peekaboo? I see those teethers. Hey, what you doing? Ew, yucky. Ew, his teeth. Ew, yucky. You don't eat that. Hey, you. What you doing? Peekaboo. Where's Cadence? Peekaboo. Oh, nice hat. Get that out of your mouth. That's not for biting. Hey. So yep, we're just gonna hang out in here and play for a little while. I'll see if I can maybe get some editing done, because a few days ago I just got this desk and I put it here in the playroom, hoping that if I had my office in the playroom, then the kids would play more while I could edit videos. You see the baby? So, so I just got this cheap desk off of Facebook Marketplace, and I think I'm gonna remodel it eventually. It has this laminate stuff on the top and on the sides, and so I'm thinking of eventually taking it off and replacing it with some new laminate, and then I'll paint the whole desk and everything. So, but it's just a simple 3-drawer desk, and I'm actually pretty excited about it because I only got it for like $35, and it's like a really good sturdy desk, and it has the what is that called? The drawers pull out really well. I forget what it's called. The things that are in the drawers, so that it slides out really nice. I can't remember, but anyways, it's a really nice desk, and I got it for a good price. So, excuse me. Do you mind? She loves making the farty noises. She'll do it like on my face and on my arm and on my leg, wherever she can get skin. It's funny. Where are you going? She's been walking so well lately. She's probably gonna be done waddling soon. Like, it's funny to see how they walk. When they first start walking, they have that cute little wobble. And I feel like with as much as she's walking lately, she's probably not gonna be waddling that much.